Have you ever wondered why OpenAI is spending 500 billions for a smarter chatbot? But the truth is much bigger. Hi, I'm your host. I do the boring research so you don't have to. Let's learn, build, and grow together.
The hardware tell, let's follow the money. OpenAI's Stargate project is a massive $500 billion infrastructure push. They've already blown past their original 10 gigawatt power milestone. And here is the single biggest tell. Both NVIDIA and AMD are starting their first gigawatt-scale deployments in the second half of 2026. This level of power isn't for a slightly better chat box. It's for an automated AI researcher designed to accelerate the entire economy. Replacing the desktop while you wait for GPT-6, OpenAI is quietly building a post-chatbot product stack. Major reports say they are rebuilding ChatGPT into a super app centered on coding tools and AI agents. This is a dependable operating layer that knows your files, your voice, and your history over multi-year horizons. This is durable personalization, and it's aimed straight at replacing your desktop icons with a single, capable AI operator. The proof is in the benchmarks. How do we know they are winning? Stop looking at poetry scores and look at execution. AI is now hitting 78.7% on OSWorld verified, meaning it can navigate a computer like a human. It's also at 82.7% on Terminal Bench. These aren't toy numbers, they are agentic reliability in action. The bottleneck is no longer just intelligence, it's intelligence times memory and tools. Your insider side hustle, don't just watch the shift, profit from it. In this new era, I suggest launching a voiceover studio as a service. As these AI agents take over content creation, businesses need professional-grade, personalized audio. By using the new production environments we talk about in our newsletter, you can handle scripts, tone mapping, and mastering for a global market of creators. The label is marketing. The integration is the actual event. Whether it's called GPT-6 or a super app, the smart money watches the system. If you want to stay ahead of the hype, join over 40,000 insiders in my free weekly newsletter. Click the link below to get your resource vault and stay future ready.
If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next AI Insider Byte.